In this video, we will discuss 5 benefits and uses of cedarwood essential oil. Cedarwood can be a game changer for you and your family, so I'm very excited to share these with you. Number 1. Cedarwood essential oil can help with hair growth. That's right, cedarwood essential oil can help you with hair growth, specifically because it can possibly aid in the treatment of alopecia areata. Alopecia is a condition that causes partial or complete absence of hair from areas of the body where it normally grows. Massaging cedarwood into the scalp can help relieve it. Number 2. Cedarwood essential oil can help with arthritis. Cedarwood is a natural anti-inflammatory, therefore it can help treat stiffness and pains associated with arthritis and rheumatism. Let us know in the comments if you know anyone that has used cedarwood for arthritis. Number 3. Cedarwood essential oil can help with eczema. That's right, cedarwood can help ease the symptoms of eczema. A few drops of cedarwood essential oil can easily be added to shampoos, conditioners, even bath water to help any area of an eczema sufferer's body. Number 4. Cedarwood essential oil can help with sleep. Cedarwood essential oil has sedative properties that can help fight insomnia. Its aroma can potentially raise the release of serotonin in the brain. This converts to melatonin and encourages restful sleep. Number 5. Cedarwood essential oil can be an insect repellent. Do you need help repelling those stubborn mosquitoes? Well, cedarwood can help with that. A simple bug spray can be made by adding about 5 drops of cedarwood oil to water in a spray bottle. Let us know in the comments what type of natural bug sprays you use. That's it for now. Please make sure to like the video before you go. Also, let us know how you use cedarwood essential oil in the comments below.
If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell for notifications.